Prevagen Extra Strength Review. Is this brain supplement legit or a scam? So Prevagen Strength or Extra Strength is a dietary supplement marketed for memory improvement and brain health. Its main ingredient is the apple quaron, a protein originally discovered in jellyfish, along with the vitamin D. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it is well known for the brand with a wide availability. It contains vitamin D, which supports overall health. It's also easy to use with a daily capsule, and is specifically marketed for memory support in aging adults. The problem is though, the apocaron lacks some strong scientific evidence for memory benefits, and it can be expensive compared to other brain health supplements. It has a mixed user reviews, where the results may vary greatly, and there are faced legal challenges over advertising claims. So, in the bottom line, Prevagen Extra Strength is a legit product in the sense that it's widely sold and produced by a real company, but its main ingredient, apocorin, has limited scientific proof of effectiveness for memory support. While some users report improvements, others see little to no results. If you're considering it, weigh the high cost against the uncertain benefits, and there may be better proven brain supplements available.